Welcome. What I have for you today is the ilavie espresso machine. It's really a great little appliance to have on your counters. You don't have to go to the barista. This is the catch basin here. It goes right there. This is called the filter holder, and these are the filters. The deeper of the two is for 2 cups at once or 1 cup. We're going to do 2 cups today. So you line it up. You see there's a groove right here? Line it up with this little dot. It'll drop right in there. Then this will hold itself up on these 2 little tabs. You put it down and you measure out 2 scoops of coffee and into here, and then tamp it down really good. Now I do have a grinder, so I ground it to my own liking, but you can even buy espresso grounds coffee at a lot of the big grocery stores. Give it a good press. I like to clean the edges. You see right here, it says unlock. So you come in to the unlock position and you pull it over until it locks. And you got to give it a nice, good pressure on there. Okay? Okay, so some of the other parts. This is the scoop and the tamp. This is your water reservoir, which is kind of handy that you can take it off, take it to the sink and fill it up. It has a minimum and a maximum filling on there. I'm going to use filtered water because we have hot water here where I live. There are 2 knobs right here and then 2 hooks right here. And you want to line this up too to make sure it's all lined up, and then press it down. All right, something I want to show you real close is this comes off of here. This is the way it ships. You pull this straight up, and you have to take this off or water won't flow, and you'll be wondering, why is this thing broken? Okay, so if this knob wasn't in off and you turned it on, it's going to give you a reading of E1, and that's just to let you know. So we're at 198 degrees. So that's preheated pretty good. Give it a little taste. And it's very, very strong. That's what we like. That is the ilavie espresso machine. You got to be very specific in how you start it up. You follow the instructions. You turn it on. You go ahead and run it dry through on the first cup and the second cup, and then turn the steam on with a container in here. Switch that over, and it'll work. The first time you do it, nothing will come out of here because you have to prime the pump. It's very important. And then once you get the steam going and the air going, it's primed. You can turn it off, press the cup again, and this is going to go E2 for being too hot. Then, without pressing any more buttons, switch this back to steam and let some fresh water in and cool it down, because it's just way too hot to make cappuccino or espresso. So that is my first impression of this device. I like it very much. I think it's a good value, and it's well built. And once you figure out the little eccentricity of it, I think it's a nice machine. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.